Hello everybody. I'm going to give you a little update on COVID-19 and its effect on PTE academic. This is going to be a bit of a boring type of video, but it's going to be pretty informative. Basically what I've taken, or what I've done, is I've taken the information from the official Pearson website and I've just put it into this. So if at any time you do want to double check or read it for yourself, you can check out the official Pearson website at pearsonpte.com. Okay, let's have a look. So, test dates are suspended or partially suspended depending on the country that you are in. If you do go to the website, you're going to see a big list of all the different countries and you're going to see a status. Now, keep in mind that this status is updating pretty regularly. For example, Australia, when I looked at this last night, was reduced availability. I'm pretty sure as of today, it's actually going to be suspended. Austria's testing suspended, Azerbaijan is reduced availability, etc. So do check out the full list at pearsonpte.com. Okay, one of the questions you're going to have to know if you already have booked your test is, how will I know if my exam is cancelled? Well, you would have received an email, a cancellation notice from Pearson VUE. Now, good news is you will either receive a refund or an extension. And to check all of this out, log into your Pearson VUE account to see if you can still see your upcoming exam appointment. That website is pearsonvue.com. Also, if you can see your upcoming exam appointment, you should expect your exam to go ahead as planned, but with additional health and safety measures in place. That is, if it says on that website that your exam is still booked, your exam is still booked, unless you want to cancel it, which I'll talk about now. So can I reschedule my exam at this time? Yes, you can. You should attempt to reschedule your exam through your online Pearson VUE account. The system will only allow you to book exams on dates that will be available for testing. So if you do need to reschedule, then just go to that website and you can reschedule, or I'm pretty sure you can cancel as well. Now, if you do have questions, because this is pretty complicated and everybody's in a particular scenario, a particularly challenging scenario, just bear in mind that Pearson's customer service wait times are long right now, as you can imagine, as they are working to help candidates across the globe. So please do be patient. You will get your response, but it may just take some time. Okay, we need to talk about some health and safety measures at these Pearson testing centers, okay? So Pearson will make hand sanitizer available in the waiting area and prior to entering the testing room. They're going to increase the cleaning and disinfecting regimens in between all testing appointments. They're going to provide tissues to candidates upon arrival at the test center. They'll permit candidates to wear a mask or disposable gloves. If you choose, that's completely fine. And they're going to remind candidates to wash their hands or utilize the hand sanitizer upon arrival at the test center. Here's some more information that you should know. When you arrive at the testing center, you will be asked to acknowledge that you have not been in contact with any affected persons or traveled to any affected areas that you are not exhibiting any symptoms. In other words, if you have been in contact with somebody with COVID-19 or come from a country where it currently exists, or if you've got a runny nose or sore throat, don't take your test. Please don't, that would be good. If you're exhibiting flu-like symptoms such as fever or respiratory difficulties when you arrive at the test center, you may be asked to reschedule your exam for a later date. Also, please cover your nose and mouth in case of sneezing or coughing, of course. Pearson are allowing candidates to wear disposable gloves during testing, as I just mentioned. Test administrators will inspect the gloves both before and after the exam, and the gloves will be disposed of in front of the proctor upon completion of the test. I suspect this is about cheating, so even though you're wearing gloves, you can't do that. If you are unwell or exhibiting symptoms, as I mentioned, please reschedule your test appointment in advance. Some regional test centers may require candidates to provide a temperature check upon arrival as well. Now, everyone, I think, in the meantime, if you are going to postpone or cancel your test, you should be like Ravi. Ravi sent me a nice little message on LinkedIn the other day of a nice little photograph. This is Ravi's photograph here. And he wrote, I'm working from home and attending live classes of E2 language simultaneously. I think my time is being utilized. I think everyone should be like Ravi. Make sure you utilize your time well during this period. It's a bit of a scary time, I totally agree, but everything will clear up eventually, hopefully sooner rather than later, and get back to normal. So do prepare for your tests. Come along to our live classes, keep up with the E2 language materials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay positive.